Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I am going to show you 3 methods for speeding up a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's get started. Method number 1. First, add the video clip to the timeline and cut out the part you want to speed up. Right-click on the cutout section and select Speed/Duration. A small box will appear, and you can increase the speed in the pop-up window. If you select the Ripple Edit checkbox, there won't be a gap between clips when Premiere speeds up the footage. Play back the video to see how it looks. Method number 2. Click and hold the Ripple Edit tool and select the Rate Stretch tool on the toolbar. Position the mouse cursor at the end of your selected clip, and drag it inward to speed up the clip. Reconnect the last clip to it. Play the video to see how it looks. Method number 3. If you want to speed up your footage without cutting it, this way is better. First, make the video track little bit bigger and then right-click, select Show Clip Keyframe, go to Time Remapping, and select Speed. Now we need to add points. Go to Effect Control, Time Remapping, and add a keyframe at the starting point and another at the end point. Then increase the speed by dragging up the line in the middle of the clip. You can adjust start and end points to make the transition smoother. In this way, as you can see, audio clip will not be synced with the video clip. Now let's see how it speed up again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope these tips and techniques have been helpful for your editing process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tutorials and tips. We would also appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to continue creating great content.